Hey, wait up! Wondering what to do this summer? Presenting Camp Footloose, a summer dance training program that's just for you with 6 dance styles. Hip hop dance will be taken by Manish, having learned from national and international artists. He's a complete package of knowledge. House dance would be taken by me, Abhishek, and if you don't know about this dance, don't worry, you're in good hands. This dance style would be focused on the footwork and also the body movement. Bollywood dance would be taken by Simran, and only those who have attended her class know about the bombastic choreographies that come out of her class. We are also introducing belly dance, a dance form from Middle East that will be taken by Suhasi. This dance style is not only visually stunning to perform and watch, but also offers various health benefits to all the females that are performing this. Joining our team and the camp for the first time, we have Unnati, who will be taking up semi-classical. She is trained in the Kathak dance form for over 15 years and has been actively involved in teaching for the past 2.5 years. You will be training with Saurabh for contemporary dance style. This is a dance style where you'll explore the flow of natural movement, emotional expression, and personal interpretation. Now coming back to our little wonders, we have 2 separate kids batches running this time. These 2 kids batches would be divided as per their age groups to ensure maximum engagement of all the age groups of the kids in this summer camp. The 2 kids batch that we have will be taken by Kashish and Ananya. Not only Kashish and Ananya are good dance instructors, but also they have a pleasant behavior towards the kids and they gel up with the kids very nicely. Not leaving out the ladies, we are back with the ladies batch. This summer it will be focused on fitness and dancing. This batch would be taken by Ananya, and Ananya would also be taking care of the individual diet plans of anyone enrolled in this batch during that time. The yoga sessions that we'll have during the camp will help you center your mind, body and soul. Not only they will remove your fatigue, but also improve the flexibility of your body, which is necessary for you as a dancer and as a person. Squeezed between sweat and intensive drills, the feeling of learning dance with us will be accomplishing and fulfilling. So what are you waiting for? Join Camp Footloose now. Time to groove with Footloose.